Hi there. Welcome back to Unit 3. Informative presentation, show me what you mean. Today, we're going to explore what makes an informative business presentation most effective. So, let's proceed with the structure of an effective informative presentation. The learning objective is to produce an effective, informative presentation, and hopefully, by the end of this session, we can structure our presentation clearly with a strong introduction, well-organized body, and effective conclusion. The structure of an effective informative presentation. An effective informative presentation can be constructed via its three common structures, which are introduction, body, and conclusion. Let us look at all these structures point by point. Let's start with its introduction. The introduction is important because it captures our audience's attention and sets the tone for our presentation. Start with a hook, a question, a fact, a quote, or even a short story. This helps our audience connect right away. We can simply begin by saying, "Let me begin by." After our hook, tell our audience the purpose of our informative presentation. We can say, "The purpose of this presentation is to," then give them a quick preview of our main points using signposts like first, then, and finally. This makes our presentation clear and easy to follow. The body is the core of our informative presentation. It should clearly deliver our message with good support and logical flow. Try to have 2 to 4 main points, focusing on one idea for each. Use signposts like first, let's look at, next, we'll explore, or finally, to guide our audience smoothly through our points. To ensure all points are visible to our audience, and such points are supported with examples in terms of facts, visuals, or short stories, and data, simply use transitions like "for example" or "according to research." The last structure that can make our informative presentation effective is its conclusion. It allows us to summarize and leave a strong impression of what we have presented to our audience by using signposts like "to recap" or "in summary." Later, we leave our audience with our final thought by saying something memorable such as, "So, the next time you remember that, so remember," or "think about this." In the end, we managed to conduct our question and answer session, or Q&A, by using a phrase like, "I'd be happy to take your questions now," or a question, "Any questions?" Thank you for joining today's session. Our next session will cover Unit 3, a structure of a 5-minute informative presentation, how e-invoicing works in small business. Feel free to contact me, Mohat Arif Nafizi Ibrahim, at mohta141@uitm.edu.my.